In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell GoHighLevel SaaS without sales calls. We'll set up a clean professional invoice inside GoHighLevel so prospects can buy on their own, and you can close deals asynchronously without hopping on a call. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and head to the payments section from the left sidebar. This is your home base for getting paid. Inside payments, open invoices and estimates. This is where you'll create and manage every invoice tied to your SaaS plans. Choose New, then select New Invoice to open a fresh blank invoice. You'll land on the business and customer information area. Confirm your business profile details so your branding and address appear correctly. Then select your customer or add a new one with their name and email. Double check the email. This is where the invoice and pay link will be delivered. As a quick tip, make sure your payment provider is already connected in GoHighLevel so your invoice includes a working pay button. Move into invoice settings to set the invoice number, date, and due date. Pick the right currency and apply your logo and brand colors if you've set them up. For SaaS sales, a due on receipt or short net term keeps momentum high. If you're onboarding on a specific date, align the due date to keep things clear. Next, add your products. Search for or create a product that represents your SaaS plan. Set the price and quantity. If your plan is recurring, select the subscription option available to you so the invoice reflects that ongoing billing. If you charge a one-time setup fee, add it as a separate line item to keep pricing transparent. Review the subtotal. Verify taxes, discounts, and any fees. If you need to apply tax, ensure you're following the correct rules for your region, and keep rounding consistent so there are no surprises for the buyer. In additional options, add notes, terms, and your refund or cancellation policy. You can include brief onboarding instructions or a link to next steps so buyers know exactly what happens after they pay. If you use automated reminders, enable them here to nudge unpaid invoices without manual follow-up. As you work, watch the live preview on the right. Confirm that your branding, dates, product names, and totals look exactly the way you want them to appear to the customer. When everything is ready, click Send to email the invoice with a concise message that confirms what they're purchasing and how access will be delivered. If you're not ready yet, choose Save to keep it as a draft and return later. With this simple workflow, prospects can review, pay, and onboard, all without a sales call.